section, we are going to solve examples on application of sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. That first example, in triangle ABC, if A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14 and C is equal to 15, then find the value of cos B sin of A upon 2 cos of A upon 2 tan of A upon 2 area of triangle ABC and the value of sin A. That first, that given values are A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14 and C is equal to 15. Therefore, we calculate S, that we know 2S is equal to A plus B plus C, that is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15, that is 42. Therefore, that S is equal to 42 divided by 2, that 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2, that will give S is equal to 21. Now we have to calculate first, that is cos of B. By cosine rule, cos B is equal to, that is C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2 CA. Here we substitute the values of A, B, C. We get that C square, that means 15 square, plus A square, that is 13 square, minus B square, that is 14 square, divided by 2 into C, that is 15, into A, that is 13, is equal to 15 square, that is 225, plus 13 square, that is 169, minus 14 square, that is 196, this divided by, that is 2 into 15 into 13 as it is, that is equal to, here we add, that is 9 plus 5 14, 1 carry, that is 1 plus 6 7 plus 2, that is 9, that 2 plus 1 3, minus 196 divided by, that is 2 into 15 into 13, that is equal to, that is 14 minus 6, that is 8, then 19 minus 10, that is 9, and 3 minus 2 minus 1, that is 198 divided by 2 into 15 into 13, that is equal to, that 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 1 remaining, again that is 2 nines are 18, that 3 fives are 15, that 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9. Here we get 33 divided by, that 5 into 13, 65. Therefore, here we get the value for cos B is equal to 33 divided by 65. Then we have to calculate sine of A upon 2. For that, we use half angle formulae. We know that sine of A upon 2 is equal to square root of S minus B into S minus C divided by BC. Okay, we substitute the values, that is equal to square root of, that S minus B, here we have the value of S, that is 21, 21 minus B, that is 14, into another bracket S minus C, that is 21 minus 15, divided by BC, that is 14 into 15, that is equal to square root of, that 21 minus 14, that is 7, into 21 minus 15, that is 6, divided by 14 into 15, that is equal to square root of that 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15, that 7 1s are 1 and 7 2s are 14, that 2 get cancelled. Here remaining only 1 upon 5. Okay, therefore here we get sine of a upon 2 is equal to 1 divided by square root of 5. Now we have to solve cos of a upon 2. By half angle formula, that cos of a upon 2 is equal to square root of s into s minus a divided by bc. Okay, here again we substitute the values of s, a, b and c. Therefore here we get that is square root of value of s, that is 21, into s, that is 21, minus that a is 13, divided by bc, that is value of b is 14 and c is 15, that is equal to square root of 21 into that 21 minus 13, that is 8, divided by 14 into 15, that 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14. Okay, that 2 1s are 2, that 2 4s are 8, and here that 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Therefore here remaining, that is square root of 4 divided by 5, that is 2 divided by square root of 5. Therefore here we get the value for cos of a upon 2 is equal to 2 divided by square root of 5. Okay, next we have to calculate tan of a upon 2. The tan of a upon 2 is equal to sine of a upon 2 divided by cos of a upon 2. Here we have the value of sine of a upon 2 and also the value of cos of a upon 2. We substitute these two values, that here we get that sine of a upon 2 is 1 upon root of 5. And the value of cos of a upon 2 is 2 upon root 5. That root 5 get cancelled. Here we get 1 upon 2. Therefore here we write tan of a upon 2 is equal to 1/2. Then we have to calculate the value of area of triangle ABC. By Hero's formula, we know that area of triangle ABC is square root of s into bracket s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here we substitute the values, that is square root of, that is 21 into bracket 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14 into 21 minus 15, that is equal to square root of that 21 into that 21 minus 13, that is 8, into 21 minus 14, that is 7, and into that 21 minus 15, that is 6. Okay. For taking a square root, we split all the multiples. Therefore here we write that is square root of that 21 means 7 into 3 into that 8 means 4 into 2. That 7 as it is, and that 6 becomes 2 into 3. For taking a square root, we write the multiples, that 7 into 2, square root of 7 into 2, that is 7. That square root of 3 into 3, that is 3. And that square root of 4 is 2, and that square root of these 2 into 2, that again here we write 2. That 7 into 3, 21, 21 into 2, 42, 42 into 2, that is 84 square unit. Okay, here we get area of triangle ABC is 84 square unit. Now that last one we have to find out, that is sine of A. Okay, that sine A we know that is equal to 2 times of sine of A upon 2 into cos of A upon 2. We have the values of sine of A upon 2 and cos of A upon 2. Here we substitute that 2 into that sine of A upon 2 is 1 upon root 5 plus cos of A upon 2 is 2 upon root 5. Therefore is equal to that 2 into 2, that is 4, and that square root of 5 into square root of 5, that is 5. Therefore here we get sine A is equal to 4 upon 5. In that way we have calculated all these values using the half angle formula. The formula for area of triangle is, in triangle ABC, prove that cot of A upon 2 plus cot of B upon 2 plus cot of C upon 2 is equal to A plus B plus C divided by B plus C minus A into cot of A upon 2. Here we consider the LHS. That LHS is equal to cot of A upon 2 plus cot of B upon 2 plus cot of C upon 2. That we know that tan of A upon 2 by half angle formula, that tan of A upon 2 is equal to, that is square root of S minus B into S minus C divided by S into S minus A. Therefore, we reverse this for cot angle. That cot of A upon 2 here we write, that is square root of S into S minus A divided by S minus B into S minus C. Plus, similarly, for the tan of B upon 2, we know that tan of B upon 2 is S minus C into S minus A divided by S into S minus B. And for cot of tan upon B, we reverse that tan of B upon 2, that here we get, that is square root of S into S minus B divided by S minus C into S minus A. And for cot of C upon 2, similarly we get that for cot of C upon 2 is S into S minus C divided by S minus A into S minus B. Here in each square root, here we multiply, in the first square root we multiply S minus A to numerator and denominator. Therefore here we will get S into that S minus A square and divided by that S minus A into S minus B into S minus C plus square root of, in this second square root we multiply numerator denominator by S minus B. Therefore here we get S into S minus B square, and in the denominator here we get, that is S minus A, that the term, and multiplied S minus B and that S minus C as it is, plus in the last term, that is we multiply S minus C to numerator and denominator. Therefore here we get S into S minus C square, and in the denominator here we will get S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal to, here we separate the square root. We know that square root of a upon b, that is square root of a divided by square root of b. Therefore here we can write that is square root of s into s minus a square divided by square root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Plus here also we use that square root of a upon b, that is square root of a divided by square root of b. Therefore here also we write that is square root of s into s minus b bracket square divided by square root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Plus the last term, here also we separate numerator and denominator, that is square root of s into s minus c square divided by square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Here we see the denominators of all these three terms are same. Therefore, we can add their numerators. Therefore, here we write is equal to that first numerator, that is square root of s, and that s minus a square. That square and square root get cancelled. Here we write s minus a. Plus here also in the second term, here also we write that square root of s and that s minus b bracket square, that square and the square root will cancel. Here we write s minus b. Plus here we write square root of s and that s minus c square, the square we cancel with the square root. Here we write s minus c, and the common denominator as that is square root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, as we see that numerators have the three terms and each term contains square root of s. So we take common square root of s and write all the terms in the bracket, that is s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c. This divided by square root of, that is s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, that is equal to square root of s into bracket, that is s plus s plus s, that is 3s, and that minus a minus b minus c, we take minus sign common and write the terms in bracket, that is a plus b plus c, that divided by square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, that is equal to square root of s into bracket, that is 3s minus that we know that a plus b plus c, that is 2s. Therefore here we write 2s. This divided by square root of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, that is equal to square root of s into that 3s minus 2s, that is equal to s, divided by that square root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That here we write that s outside the square root, here we take outside, into that square root of this square root and this square root we combine, that square root of a divided by square root of b, that is square root of a upon b. Therefore we combine this, that we write numerator s, and in the denominator there is, that is s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Here we multiply s minus a to numerator and denominator. Therefore, here we get that s into square root of s into s minus a divided by that s minus a square into s minus b into s minus c. That s minus a square we take outside the square root. Therefore, that square root and square get cancelled. Therefore, it becomes s divided by s minus a. And remaining here in the square root, that is s into s minus a divided by s minus b into s minus c. And that is equal to that square root of this becomes that we know that is cot of a upon 2. Therefore, instead of the square root we write cot of a upon 2. And here that we multiply 2 to numerator and denominator. Therefore, here we write that is 2s divided by that is 2s minus 2a. Okay, and that square root, that is this term, that is the cot of a upon 2. Okay, now that 2s becomes a plus b plus c. Therefore, here we write that is a plus b plus c. And in the denominator also we write that 2s is that is a plus b plus c, and that minus 2a as it is, into cot of a upon 2. That is equal to the numerator a plus b plus c as it is. Therefore, here we write a plus b plus c divided by that here we write plus b plus c, and that a minus 2a becomes minus a into cot of a upon 2 as it is. And see here, that is our RHS, that is we have to prove. Therefore, here we write that RHS, and hence we proved that cot of a upon 2 plus cot of b upon 2 plus cot of c upon 2 is equal to a plus b plus c divided by b plus c minus a into cot of a upon 2. Next example is, show that in triangle ABC, sin of a upon 2 into sin of b upon 2 into sin of c upon 2 is equal to area of triangle ABC bracket square divided by ABC into S. Here we solve for left hand side, that is LHS is equal to that is sin of a upon 2 into sin of b upon 2 into sin of c upon 2. We use the half angle formula for that is equal to, here we get square root of that sin of a upon 2 is s minus b into s minus c divided by bc into that sin of b upon 2 is s minus c into s minus a divided by ca, and into square root of that sin of c upon 2 is that s minus a into s minus b divided by ab. That square root of a into square root of b, that is square root of ab. Therefore, we combine all these square roots. Here we get that is square root of that s minus b into s minus c into s minus c into s minus a into s minus a into s minus b, this whole divided by the product of the denominators, that is bc into ca into ab. Here that is square root of that s minus b into s minus b, that is s minus b square. That s minus c into s minus c, that is s minus c square. And that s minus a into s minus a, that is s minus a square, and this divided by here also that C that is C square, A into A that is A square, and B into B that is B square. Therefore that is A square, B square, C square. Here all the terms are in the form of square. All these squares are cancelled with this square root, and here we get that is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C divided by ABC. Okay, now we have to prove that is numerator is in the form of area of triangle ABC bracket square, and we know that is area of triangle ABC is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Therefore we have to create here S. Therefore we multiply numerator denominator by S. Therefore here we get that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This divided by S into ABC. Okay, now this is the square of the formula by Hero's formula for area of triangle. This term in the numerator is the square of area of triangle. Therefore here we write that is area of triangle ABC bracket square divided by ABCS, and that is our right hand side. In that way we have solved some examples on application of sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. Thank you.